Hi guys, happy new year. It's been a while since I've been on my channel, but new year, new beginnings. I'm moving to Dubai on Wednesday. I'm currently filming this on a Sunday morning, so I have 3 days left in Ireland, so the countdown is really on. I was meant to go the 31st of January, leaving on New Year's Eve, and I was meant to go with my boyfriend Jack. He was meant to come over with me, but I got COVID literally 2 days before my flight, so I wasn't able to go, so pushed everything back like 2 weeks, but we're here now again. I have one job prospect over in Dubai, and I'm just really hoping that it will materialize and something will happen out of it. It's a marketing role, which is exactly what I wanted. I did marketing in college, and the last year and a half I've done loads of marketing, so I really want to continue on that career path because that's what I genuinely like doing it. So yeah, hopefully that works out, but you never know and nothing's set in stone. So at the moment, as I said, I'm packed, but I'm also packed for another little exciting trip. Me and my boyfriend Jack are going to the Hayfield Manor in Cork. We wanted to do one more trip before I went away. Jack's not coming over with me. He's staying in Ireland, he's finished college and stuff, so I'm just going to do my makeup now, put on my outfit and get on the road. I've also started watching Gilmore Girls and I'm obsessed. It's like the easiest watch ever.
Triple A, credits are right.
I just curl my hair. It took a living lifetime, but it is done. Okay, I'm finally ready to go. I'm wearing this big cozy jacket from Mango. My mom got it for me for Christmas and I love it. And I'm just wearing a white polo neck and top jeans. So I'm finally on the road, thank God. I decided to take the shortcut. These are the most country roads you will ever see. I literally just passed a sheep on my way.
Saw you paint a picture of a face, a face that wasn't even.
So we just checked into the Hayfield Manor. It is absolutely stunning. Never stayed here before, and we told the lady at the front desk that obviously I was heading away to Dubai, and she gave us an upgrade and the room is stunning, and she was like, I'll really look after you, which is so sound. This is why you go to Cork hotels, sound people. They still have the Christmas tree up, which I'm delighted about, and then this is the room, absolutely stunning. And then they sent up 2 glasses of complimentary champagne, which is so nice, and then they were like, yeah, that will be €600, and me and Jack looked at each other like, but they were joking. So yeah, we're so excited for tonight. Jack's gone down to the pool. I'm going to shower, get ready for the night properly, sip away at my champagne, turn on my music and unwind.
Triple A, credits are right.
This is the OOTD tonight. I'm wearing a Bershka dress, Urban Outfitters booties, and Zara blazer that has kind of puffles. Yeah, all black, still kind of festive. Let's go. Good morning. We just woke. We had such a nice night last night. We went down to the restaurant. It's called the Orchid Restaurant in the Hayfield Manor, and we had dinner there. That's Jack. Hello.
Hi, how are you?
Good.
I'm done looking over my shoulder. This past time won't help me getting over it.
So this is the outfit of the day. I forgot my contacts, so I have to wear my glasses, but it's not the end of the world. This is the blazer that I got in Penny last week, and I absolutely love it. I got it in size large, it's a bit oversized, and I feel like it cuts the outfit really well. It just kind of cuts you here where all these kind of areas are. And this dress is so misguided. I got this a while ago, but the material is really good. And then just my Urban Outfitters boots that I wore last night. Last morning with me.
I'm gonna miss you.
Feel?
I'm gonna miss you when you're gone tonight.
Ready to get breakfast. Did you good dog? Like a proud mom. Oh.
Saw you paint a picture of a face.
Hello, I've officially arrived in Dubai. I can't believe I'm here. I just think it was such a busy, crazy build up to getting here, and now I'm here and I'm like, what is going on? I've moved into my apartment with my friend and her boyfriend, and it's honestly, it's the most amazing setup, and I'm just so happy to be here. I had the best first weekend ever in Dubai. I actually didn't vlog it though because I was a bit overwhelmed. I went for that job interview on Friday. I'm not very confident about that one. I'm gonna keep applying and see what happens. Surely someone will take me on. This is my window. A little bit different from the hills of Kerry, but it's stunning. I actually got these flowers on Monday in the shop that's closest to us, and I'm honestly obsessed with them. Lilies are my favorite flowers, and I got them all closed, but they're just starting to open, and the rest have opened, and I just love them. Look how pretty they are. That's me there, still in my pajamas. And this is my bedroom, just off the kitchen. Bed, look at it. Oh my gosh. I just love it. Honestly, the lap of luxury. Just made my bed there. I literally have nothing else. I'm just waiting for a mirror to come here from IKEA. I ordered a white mirror for here. I'm gonna push the bed over a little bit, and I'm gonna put just a side table and a lamp here as well. And then this is my view. So that's actually the Dubai Marina in there. And we're super close to the marina, but just because of the way the roads work over here, everywhere is taxis, so it's kind of an awkward place to get out of. I went for coffee yesterday evening with my sister Aoife. It's amazing because she's over here as well. She lives super close by, but she was just like, it's so awkward to get to, and it actually is. I'm like debating, should I go on LinkedIn and do my messaging now? Do you know what, maybe I should just do like some job bits now and then go to the gym. That might make more sense, just because I have like a little fear. I'm like, I need to get things done. A recruiter's actually ringing me today as well for a marketing executive job in a law firm, so we'll see how that goes. Very different to the experience that I do have, but marketing is marketing. IKEA is here. Hello. Good, 2 seconds. IKEA has delivered. Woo! So this is my full-length mirror. So what do we think? Is it nice there? Excuse the state. I need to have a look and see. But where else would I put it?
Triple A. Credits are right. Hang up the.
Hello, so it's a good while later. So I'm gonna show you my new bits. My mirror. I'm gonna leave it at the side of the bed, I think. So when you walk in, it's kind of like this. My bed's a bit wrinkly, I was on it. Yeah, happy out with this. If you're wondering about the outfit, I'm heading to my first football training, joining Jamira Gales. We'll see how that goes. I'm wearing Jack's Strand Road shorts and random football socks. Belongs to my brothers, I'd say. And then this, with this gorge lamp. Look at it. And it has such a nice glow to it. And then the bedside locker, which caused me a lot of distress today, but it's actually done now and I love it. Good morning, it's the next day. So I went to training last night. It was really good. It was actually quite competitive, which I didn't really expect. I played football in France and it was so chill, like honestly so chill. But no, it was really good. I was going to wear the Kerry jersey, and then I thought maybe not, Sinead, maybe not on your first night, don't bring attention. So today I decided to switch around my routine a little. I'm gonna have breakfast now, go to the gym, come back, have a shower. It is Friday over here, so I don't think I'll put massive effort into the job on today. That's the plan for the day. Another day in Dubai. I'll make some breakfast. I'm literally gonna have the same thing as yesterday. So this is our gym, and there's never really anyone here, which is lovely in the gym, especially for girls. I think we just like to have our own space. And then this is our pool area. This is it. The weather isn't fantastic yet, but like during the summer this will be absolutely unreal. I can't even believe this is kind of my life at the moment, that I can come down and have a pool and a gym to go to, which is crazy, but it's absolutely amazing, and I'm so grateful that this is my situation right now. Can I just show you the colour of this water? I know it's chlorine, but still. It's so blue, and it's actually quite deep. Good morning from the biggest bedhead ever. Today is Saturday, which means it's brunch day. My first official brunch in Dubai. So it's actually only 8 AM at the moment. Yes, oh actually it's 8:17. I am up and I'm ready to go. Flat out. So me and Aoife are just after having breakfast in the matcha club, and we're up so nice here. Yoga in there, there's everything. It's so nice. We will be back. Okay, so now it's time to go to the brunch, so I need to rush home now, get ready. My first brunch in Dubai. Ah! So I'm just getting ready for my first brunch. I'm kind of nervous. I'll be fine, of course I left myself with too little time. Me and Aoife went for breakfast and then that went on a bit longer than expected. So I have 45 minutes to do my makeup and hair, which I think should be okay. Hi guys, so it's a few days later again. Sorry this vlog has been so sporadic in its videoing. I've literally just been picking up the camera at random intervals. The brunch was so much fun. We went to La Mez Caleria, which is a gorgeous place here in Dubai. So now it's Monday. Yesterday was a complete write-off. I spent the whole day on the couch. So I'm kind of ready to get back into it again. I actually have a very exciting shoot tomorrow. I'm going to be shooting in a 5-star hotel. My sister's friend, she was looking for a model, and of course my sister was like, oh, Sinead will do it. So we'll see how that goes, but I'll bring you along for that and it should be exciting. But I'm actually going to leave the vlog here. So you kind of got my moving to Dubai and my first week and a half living here. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you have any specific questions and anything you're wondering about Dubai, I'd be happy to answer it in my next video. So this is video 1 of my Dubai diaries, so I have lots more to come. So subscribe and I'll be seeing you in my next one. Bye.